in economic terms, we haven't got to the postmodern. We're still living in a high modernist age of neoclassical economic analysis, right? That the neoclassical aspiration and neoclassical economics underpins neoliberal economic policy. It's the analytical foundation behind active neoliberal policy. The neoclassical economic turn at the beginning of the 20th century was an attempt to basically become a hard universal analytical science like physics. So it literally borrowed, it took Newtonian mechanics and the metaphors from Newtonian mechanics like equilibrium, and it said, okay, if we cut and paste, if we take out energy and swap in utility, we can come up with this kind of universal economic man who, if he always has one kind of motivation, he's this rational, calculating, cost-benefit, maximizing individual, then we can have a science of how man navigates commodity space, and we can look at all these different spaces where he does that and create these models of how he'll behave given a certain stimulus, what will be the kind of linear, the singular reaction he can have to it. So that it's an extraordinary moment, because physicists at the time said, that doesn't really work because we have natural laws underpinning our use of that mathematics. What do you have? And the answer was nothing. We're borrowing the mathematics because it's the way we could cut out empirical noise and come up with a universal science that is good for all times and places.